everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new and welcome back if you're returning. So today I walked on the treadmill and I wasn't really sure if I was going to record my workout, but then I was like, you know what, let's just go ahead and get to it. So I actually did the treadmill off camera. I did about 13 to 15 minutes walking at an incline of ranging from 8 to 12, and my speed stayed around 3 to 4 miles an hour. So yeah, I did that as my warm-up, and then I got on the row machine. And the thing that I love about the row machine is if you're doing it properly, you are definitely going to feel it in your abs, and it works your legs. And you know, it also can do a little something for your back, but I more so use the power from my legs to push off. So my arms don't really do as much on the row, but it's good because then it helps me from getting burnt out. So I see a lot of people doing glute bridges online, and something that I found that really helps me is when I do my glute bridges, I want to make sure that I'm using a heavy weight. To use no weight or very little weight is not going to challenge my body, and especially with me trying to lose weight, I want to make sure that I'm keeping my muscle tone while burning fat, and I'm not really working to grow my muscles right now, but I'm just trying to keep what I have. So the only way to really do that and not have sagging skin and stuff like that when losing weight is to make sure that you're lifting heavy. So when I do my glute bridges, I'm using somewhere between 50 to 65 pound weight in an effort to challenge my muscles. Now, as far as the exercise with the overhead pull, I really like this because it works my back. But once again, I have to make sure that I'm using a weight that challenges myself. So if you are trying to lose weight fast and you don't want to be saggy, the key is to make sure you're lifting heavy. You don't have to go so heavy that you're hurting yourself, but you absolutely, it needs to be a challenge, or you're gonna lose your muscle mass. And when you lose your muscle mass, that's when you become quote unquote skinny fat. Now today I just made a quick little tortilla, and I've told you guys before, but I'll tell you again, whenever I do the tortillas, it will stall me on keto. It only stall me for a day or two. I will not gain weight, of course, but it stops the loss that I'm doing. So I only have my tortillas maybe once or twice a month, but I love these things. And then I had one Reese's cup. I could have had 3, which is a serving size, but I didn't really fool with it because I wasn't really hungry like that. I just wanted something. For dinner, I wanted some chicken nuggets, and I had leftover green beans from Chinese food that we ordered last night. So this was my dinner. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, thumbs this video up, and comment down below if you have any questions. And make sure you guys check out my playlist of my other videos. Talk to you later.